Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Pinkowitz with your Wednesday Independent Learning Day math lesson. That means you won't see me on Zoom today, but that's okay. I will see you tomorrow, and I will miss you all so very much. So let's get started with our numbers. Skywriting our numbers. You should know most of these well enough by now that you can say them with me and do your fingers while we're saying them. Since you're making the number in the air, you're sky writing the number. So we're going to do 0. Curve from the top, be a hero, close the loop, and make a 0. One more time. Curve from the top, be a hero, close the loop, and make a 0. Great job. Here comes the easiest number of all. Number 1. Top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. Top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. Number 2. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right, now that's a 2. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right, now that's a 2. And this is my favorite one. Favorite. We're going to make the number 3. Backward C, backward C. That's how you make a 3. Backward C, backward C. That's how you make a 3. Four. This is where it gets a little tricky. Trace down the side, across the middle for fun. Top to bottom. Now you're done. Trace down the side, cross the middle for fun. Top to bottom. Now you're done. You just made a 4. 5 on one hand, just like the 5 group we've been learning about. 5. Trace down the side, curve like that. Back to the top now. Give it a hat. Trace down the side, curve like that. Back to the top. Now give it a hat. You made a 5. 5 fingers on one hand, just like your 5 group. 5. Let's do 6. Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. One more time. Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. And guess what? We can't show 6 fingers on one hand because we have 5, just like our 5 group. We have to go to our other hand to show 6. 5 and 1, 6. 5, 6. 7. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's how we make a 7. Remember when you're going down to go down the hill. Make it a slant. Don't go straight. It's not a pole. Across the sky, down from heaven. That's how we make a 7. Just like with the 6, we cannot show 7 on one hand because we can only show 5, like our 5 group. So here's 5, 6, 7. 5 group, 5 fingers on one hand, 6, 7. Now let's do our 8. Are you ready? This This is our new one. We only did it one time yesterday. So when we make an 8, we're going to make an S. Do not stop. Go right back up. And an 8 you've got. Do it again. Make an S. Do not stop. Go right back up. And an 8 you've got. And so just like with 6 and 7, we can only show 5 fingers on one hand like a 5 group. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, boys and girls. So you can pause the video here and go watch the video from our friend. It's only a few minutes long. And then we are going to work on this, or we can just work on our problem set paper together, and then you can watch the video from our friend. You're going to do this one by yourself. So this one says practice sheet for lesson 22. You're going to practice writing your 8s in the boxes and on the lines. And then you're going to color 8 happy faces. Okay? So that's what you're going to do. Together, we will work on the other page that says lesson 22. So it says lesson 22 problem set. That's what we're going to work on together. So go ahead and get a pencil and some crayons. And pause the video for a moment. Okay, so our directions say, draw a counting path with a line to show the order and what you counted. So we're going to count the dots, and as we count them, we're going to draw a counting path to show the order we counted and to make sure we counted all of them. When we're done, we're going to write the total number. And there's something else to do, but let's do these two parts first because that's a lot of things to do. Ready? So we're going to start over here with the circles. Remember, we touch each circle as we count it, and then we're going to draw a line to make our counting path to show what we've counted. So one circle, draw a line. 2 circles, draw a line. 3 circles, draw a line. 4, draw a line. 5, draw a line. 6, draw a line. And this is 7, draw a line. 8. All right, we counted 8 circles. Let's double check and count that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, very good. So we counted 8 circles and we drew lines to show our counting path. Now we need to write the number 8 in here. So we're going to draw an S and we're not going to stop. We're going to go back up and an 8 we've got. Okay, so then it says to circle a group of 5. All right, so let's count 5 and circle a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look, there's 5 in the top row. So let's just put a circle around those, like that. All right, let's go over here. And we've got some triangles and some stars. And we're going to count, touch each one as we count, and we're going to draw a line to show what we've counted. Ready? 1, draw a line. 2, draw a line. 3, draw a line. 4, draw a line. 5, draw a line. 6, draw a line. 7, then draw a line. 8. Good. So let's double check, make sure that we counted 8. Touch each one when you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we're going to write 8 in our box, and we're going to make an S. We're not going to stop, go around, and an 8 you've got. Now we also have to circle a group of 5. So let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can circle the top ones again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, we're going to move down to these two, and it says to color 8 circles. Let me get a crayon. I like this color. So let's put a line right here, and we're going to start coloring right here. That way we know where we started, and we can count as we color. So I am coloring 1 circle, 1, 1, 1. 2 circles, I'm coloring 2 circles, 2 circles. 3, coloring 3 circles, 3 circles. And 4, coloring 4 circles, 4 circles. I like to color 4 circles. And 5, 5 circles, because 5 comes after 4. So I'm coloring 5 circles, 5 circles. What's gonna be next? Coloring 6, 6 circles, because 6 comes after 5. I'm coloring 6 circles. What's next? 7. I am coloring 7 circles because 7 comes after 6. 7, 7, 7 circles. And what's next? 8. I'm coloring 8 circles. 8 because 8 comes after 7. I colored 8 circles. That's what our directions say. Let's count them just to double check. Remember, we touch them as we count. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We colored 8 circles. Great job. I'm going to get a different color, because that's what I like to do. I don't like to use the same color all the time. Which one do I want? This one looks new. Let's use this one. I haven't used this crayon yet. So we're going to come over here. We're going to draw a line right there. That way we know we started coloring right here, so we don't lose track. So let's start coloring and counting. 1 circle, I'm coloring 1 circle. 1, 1, 1. 2 circles, I'm coloring 2 circles. 2, 2, 2, because 2 comes after 1. 3, I'm coloring 3 circles. 3 circles, I said 3 circles because 3 comes after 2. 4 circles. 4 is such a great number. I'm coloring 4 circles. 4 circles because 4 comes after 3. 5 circles. I'm coloring 5. 5 circles because 5 comes after 4. And 6. I'm coloring 6. I'm coloring 6. 6, 6, 6. I like to say 6. 6 circles because 6 comes after 5. And 7. I'm coloring 7 circles. 7 circles. 7, 7, 7 because 7 comes after 6. And 8. 8 circles. I'm coloring 8. 8. I like to write the number 8. 8 circles because 8 comes after 7. Ooh, That's what our directions say, color 8. We better stop and not color this one. Let's count our circles to make sure that we colored 8. Remember to touch each one as you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, good job for not coloring that one, because if we had colored that circle, we would have not colored 8. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, with my crayon back in my box so I don't lose it, because I always clean up after myself. And now that we've done this page together, you can watch our learning video from our friend for some more practice, and then you can do this 8 sheet on your own. Practice writing your 8s and then color 8 smiley faces and circle a different group of 8. Great job, boys and girls. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.